mentor who sent me an email of this idols form. Very grateful for that. And the idol is he's very, what you say, he is has a bit of mixed traits, like very good traits, some negative traits, but everything balances out. First of all, we see the fingers. Now, if we see that the first phalange is this one and the third phalanges, these are developed, the middle ones are not developed. So the first stand for intellect, second for business and sense, and third for practicality. Now, if we see when the second are not that developed, so the person is better off with group members than a solo career. The person can do a solo career, but if there is a lot of guidance and mentoring by the people who are above him. But better is that he stays in a group, and I was also reading that he prefers to write songs in a group. And writing skills are also shown. One, the headline is medium length, but it's going a bit downwards towards the end. And then the first phalanges are also developed. So this shows that the intellectual creative side is also there. So as I said, he's a mixed bag. He has mixed indications. Here we see that the heartline is starting from Jupiter, and it's quite long. It's mostly straightish, so this shows a helpful nature. What the drawback of this is that the person could be too helpful, like maybe give advice when the other person doesn't want to listen to the advice. So this can make him a bit annoying to some people, not all. Like they might, misinterpret his good intentions. So he might have had faced these issues when he was also not famous. And then we see that the Apollo mount is also taking a lot of space. All the mounts are likewise good. So that's a very good connotation. Here we see that the fingers are arranged on the balance setting. So this shows that the person gets opportunities more easily than the average person. What we see here is an island at the start of the lifeline and headline. So this shows a bit of confusion because the person has lots of opportunities. The person is very talented. So the person is like thinking like, should I do this or that? And one more thing which the person is drawn towards is that here we see a fork, and here we see another fate line. So this person is like drawn between two countries. Like he wants to, he might have a very international. Like I was also reading about it that he has an international mindset. He was watching Netflix shows and learning English. So this person can be drawn between two countries, like mostly English-speaking countries and the East Asian countries, Western, East and West. So he can attain fame in both. Maybe he's famous in both, or that he can be going towards both of them, like sometimes going there, sometimes going there. And then we see that this fate line, both fate lines are connected with the travel line. So this person will have international success. Might be having international success. I don't know that much about him, but whatever he has, he will have international success. He will have success in more than one country. Be popular in more than one country. And then we also see that there is another travel line here. So this shows more travels. This is actually maybe currently, maybe he traveled a lot in the past year. Maybe even within Korea, he traveled a lot, or touring with the band, or he likes to travel a lot. I can even see that this person likes to travel a lot. So we now go to the third phalanges. Now the third phalanges of fingers show energy. So this person, I don't know if he bodybuilds, but if this person was to, go into bodybuilding, he can really become muscular. I don't know if he is currently muscular, but I see a lot of strength. Like this hand shows a lot of muscular strength. Like if he was going to go into the sports of wrestling, boxing, etc., this person can like really excel there. Like even if he used to do it in his spare time, this is a muscular hand. It might be small in size, the hand, but the broadness, you can see it's broad. The fingers, even though short, are broad. So this shows a muscular tenacity. The person is very strong, like a strong will. The person does not give up on his friends. So this is the typical helper type personality. The person who likes to help other people, but sometimes is misrepresented. Also, if you see the heartline is away from the fingers, so this means that the person does not open that easily to others. So he can appear sometimes cold or aloof, or maybe self-interested, but he cares deeply about others. He just doesn't, attach himself to others that easily, like opens up easily, or but that's good because the heartline is long, so he could be taken advantage of as well. And then here we see that the Venus mount also related to these fingers are the Venus mount and the lower Mars. So this also shows energy and stamina. So a lot of energy, stamina, and here we see that the lifeline. I also particularly saw that the lifeline is strong here, and then it's becoming light, but that doesn't matter. That means that the person, when they enter their 40s, they will have a more relaxed personality, like because they are so energetic before that. then they start to relax. Like it's not that they lose their energy or become health-wise weak. It's just that they start to relax. But right now they're full of energy, and it's a very good field he has gone into K-pop, where he can like fully express his energy, etc. And then we see there's a fork at the start of the fate line, the first fate line. So this shows that again the success from his own country and the travel line connected lunar fate line success in the success abroad. So the first fate line, if we see why there are two fate lines, when the second fate line is going alongside this, so this means that he will maybe he's in a relationship right now, or he will enter a relationship till at 25, because here we see that this fate line, the first one, becomes very strong at 25, and this headline in Life Now also separate at 25. So in 25 he could be involved in like a relationship. It could be made public, I'm not sure, but he will be in a relationship. We also see the relationship line here, like in his mid 20s, and that relationship most probably will be with an idol. It could even be with someone who's famous, but from another ethnicity, like maybe K-pop idol, but Japanese, like that, because the other fate line is coming from Montomo. So it could be with another ethnicity as well, or a person who is like same ethnicity, grown up in America, England, Canada, etc. Dual national of a Western country. So I can see that happening. Like maybe they meet each other at 25, but they don't announce it till they're in their 30s. But overall, the person, like most likely both or one of these things will happen, that the person will have dual nationality, multicultural, or that the person is also a K-pop idol and equally or even more famous than this person. So I can see this type of relationship. Like this person is very, like as I said, long heartline. So the heartline is also longer than the headline. So this person thinks more with their heart. So this person follows their heart, so they won't be seeing the negative consequences in the way that they love truly and love deeply. So as long as the other person also is smart enough to keep it secret, because I think they get into trouble if it becomes public, the relationships, then it will go smoothly. So the relationship will also be good, because if you see the second fate line, both the fate lines when at 25 they're very strong, so the relationship will also go very well. And like we'll have to see who he is with, or who he is rumored to get involved with. That will be very interesting. So very good hand, very energetic hand, and I just see success for him, that sometimes he trusts his heart too much, but that is again, we all have that. Some of us trust our head too much, some of us trust our heart too much. So he could be like, or maybe has been, because I see him getting spotted, like taken advantage of. And again, we also see the travel lines here and here, and even more travel lines which I didn't draw. I just wanted to make that clear that there is more than one travel line. So he loves traveling as well. So that was it. I hope whoever recommended this enjoyed this video. I hope others enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a nice day ahead. Thank you so much.